On today's body cam, we're checking out drunk driver demands lawyer after nearly killing entire family.
On April 27th, police were called to a multi-vehicle crash after a woman ran a red light. Officers first speak with the victims before confronting the driver responsible.
Were you involved?
No. Female in the red, and then the driver's right there.
Okay. Who all was involved? I just got to make sure everybody's okay first, and I'll come back and talk to you.
We're okay.
I'm female right there.
My shoulder has pain, but I'm fine.
Which are any of those other vehicles over there involved?
Vehicle, me and her.
Okay.
I believe
So it's just this vehicle and these two vehicles, or?
They're in that vehicle still.
Vehicles
Hi
wrecked.
guys, how we doing, guys?
Aww.
I hit my head.
You hit your head?
Yeah,
Okay.
my head.
Okay.
I have 3 kids in the back.
How old is baby?
Wow.
4 weeks?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody was in car seat and everything?
Yeah, we got the car
Okay.
seat.
Is there any other injuries besides your head? Any other injuries?
They need to get checked out.
Yeah, I got you. The kids,
Yeah.
we'll get them checked out regardless.
Yeah.
But do you have any injuries or any pain, ma'am? Head? Okay.
4 weeks, little peanut.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Step out for me. Why you got your sunglasses?
Guilty.
On? It's 8 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
All right. How much have you had to drink?
Nothing.
You haven't had nothing to drink.
No. I'm
Nothing at
on
all.
the phone with my brother from Alabama. I'm not from here.
Do you have your license, registration, insurance on me? Do a favor. Get off your phone real quick, please.
Yeah. Here. Can you hold this?
No. You can hang up with him, and then
Hold on.
I gotta make sure. You know what I mean? If you're any injuries or anything like that, I just need your documents. So far, I don't know. She seems.
damage?
Yeah, she seems pretty intoxicated. So far, two kids in that car, possibly injured. Parents both injured, both had injuries. They're assuming they smacked their head.
You don't have a Jersey ID?
No.
Passport card. I've never seen this. Okay. Everybody up on that? Is it just you in the car or anybody else?
Yeah.
It's just you? Okay.
I live right there at the
At the motel right here?
Hotel,
So
yeah.
you live at the... She has a passport card.
Okay.
Okay. So you live at the motel and you were
Yes.
leaving. Where were you heading to?
Right here.
Where's
To my friend's house.
Where's that at? Here is just... This is an open road. Find out which way you were going. Do you remember how the accident happened?
No.
You don't know how the accident happened or anything?
No.
Do you remember getting in the accident? You don't remember?
getting into the accident at all?
You still live off
I
of
mean,
Walnut?
I live not off Walnut. I live right here.
Bianca, you have anything to smoke or drink before driving?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
No, as you look down and look away. Come on, man. Full of it. And why does she have her passport ID on her? You know, the passport card. But where's your driver's license?
Okay. Only asking because you're slurring your speech really, really bad.
Yeah.
And your eyes are watering.
Can't stand up straight. You're not remembering anything that happened with the accident. You're wearing your sunglasses at night. It's 8 o'clock.
Are you wearing your sunglasses when you were driving?
She was wearing them when I got to the car. She
Oh,
was wearing them.
okay. Insurance and registration for the car?
It's all on my phone.
You know what? Let me get their info.
Everything.
Well, why don't you hang up the phone so you can get it?
Take off.
It's all on my phone. So I don't know how.
She's going to get
It's
their
all on my
information
phone.
first and then come back. You said your registration, insurance, everything's on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have a physical copy of your registration?
No. It's all on my phone.
Okay.
Remember the girl that we talked to at Denny's? She was door dashing?
Yes.
That's her.
Oh, okay. All right. I remember. She's bleeding here.
No.
Is that the registration or the insurance?
Demographic?
Hanging up on him, or you want him on the phone so we can
It's
focus
my
on his
brother.
registration and insurance?
No.
Okay. All right. Bianca, do you have your insurance information? I'll write that down.
This is.
Well, the officer's right here. What's that?
This is all I have my insurance.
That's insurance. All right. So,
What's
Officer
your email?
Officer Nelson's right here, so she can write it down. She'll get it from your phone. Just give her 1 sec. Bianca, can you try not to call people because you're very distracted, and we're trying to get this done, please.
Yeah,
Yes. Do you need this?
Can I?
He's gonna have you sign something since you're not going to the hospital, okay?
Can I have my friend come get me?
Not yet. Wait until we're done the investigation, and then you can call wherever you want.
Please come get me in front of my hotel?
Why'd you ask me if you were gonna do it anyway, Bianca? I just told you to hold off
In
on
front
that.
of the hotel at Holiday Inn, please. Okay. All right.
Wasting your time because you going to jail.
Thanks. I love you.
All right.
First name's Bianca?
Yes.
You make a note. I don't have my body cam.
Sure nothing's hurting you? You don't want to be checked out?
No, I need. should be dispatched back to my home.
Unfortunately, I can't do that. I'm a one-way trip to the hospital. So I just have to take that up with someone else. Alright, Bianca, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign a form. It's just saying you understand the risk of not going to the hospital following the accident that you were in tonight. If anything changes, you're welcome to call us back at any time. It's never a burden. Just anywhere in this white box, sign your name. Like I said, that's a refusal form. You're welcome to call us back at any time.
So you didn't have anything to smoke or drink before driving?
No.
Okay. Is there a reason why you're slurring your speech and having difficulty standing up, balance? No? Okay. Would you be willing to perform field sobriety tests to determine you're okay to drive?
No.
No? You're familiar with her? She's got priors?
Assume the position.
I don't know if we have her arrested for that.
All right. Well, she's got slurred speech. Bianca, can you stop walking in the car, please? Can you stop walking in the car? No, you can step out the car, please. Step out the car, please.
Where can I sit?
Step out the car.
Where can I sit? You sit on the ground.
Just stand right here for me, all right?
Just sit on the ground. Perfect. All right, John. So tell us exactly what happened from your perspective. Where were you driving at? Just kind of start to finish.
I'm in the lane that goes straight because I just.
You were going this way?
Yeah, I was going this way.
Were you in front of this car or behind this car?
I was the last person to get hit, so I must have been in front of everybody. I did not hit anybody with the front of my car, so I was the last.
You got hit from the back?
All the way in the front. I got hit in the back.
Okay.
I was already stopped at the stoplight, and the person who was behind me, I forget if I think the car was red, but I don't see any red cars here. I forget. But it hit me on the back left side because it was swerving out of the way to try and get out of the way. So I guess they're trying not to hit me.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So maybe this might be separate too.
Okay. No, because I saw the car who was behind me got hit first and then hit me, so it was a pileup. So maybe.
Well, if these are the only cars that were here, these three vehicles.
So then it has to be then. Okay. I must have been mistaken with the car.
Okay.
You're gonna be placed under arrest for driving under influence. Oh, don't fall on me, please.
Let me take this off you. Here, let go.
Can you loosen us up? Thank you. Yep.
It's three separate collisions, we think.
Oh.
Two? Is it two? Okay, so two separate collisions.
I'm not from here. I'm not from here.
All right,
Please,
Bianca.
please
Listen,
answer
relax,
that.
okay?
Where's that baby going?
Please.
I think they
Want him to get checked out, yeah.
My brother.
All right. So where's
Yep.
Hayes? Nelson?
I gotta search her over. Where's Nelson? And then we can,
Right up
we
here.
can,
Please.
She pulling her car up.
I gotta tell her right now. She's over there.
I'll go get it.
Okay.
My brother.
Okay, that's fine, Bianca. We'll figure it out once we get to the station, okay?
My phone.
We got it. We got
My
everything.
phone.
We got everything,
No,
Bianca.
no,
Bianca,
you didn't
relax.
grab it.
Yes,
No,
I did. I took it out of your hand.
We have your.
Bianca, I have it, okay? It's right here.
Please.
Okay? I got it. It's right here. I know. I got you. Just relax, okay?
My brother. I'm not from here.
Okay.
Your brother is not saving you from this. You hit people, man. You got the young ones in there and everything. Come on, man. You hit the one dude so hard that he said that he can't even remember the color of the car. You know, he might have memory loss.
That doesn't matter right now, Bianca.
I don't care if I'm not from here. I'm telling you. My brother, I'm from Tennessee.
Yeah, but you're a local at this point.
No, I'm not.
we do it to you all the time.
No, I'm not.
Come on, Bianca, please.
Can you please?
No.
Call me. Okay.
We're not doing anything right now.
You're refusing to call my brother.
I'm not calling anybody right now. We can wait. I have to get through some things for. Bianca, just relax, all right? We'll get it figured out. You just gotta calm down, okay?
You're refusing.
If that's the way that you want to take it, right now I am. Yes, absolutely.
You're
Okay.
refusing. You're refusing.
12-hour hold for this, yes.
Thank you.
Bianca, you were on the phone with your brother. You didn't tell him to come out here.
Thank you. Thank you. Should I tell him to come from Tennessee? Are you crazy?
Oh, he's in Tennessee?
Yes. Thank you.
Well, why you need
Can
your
I
brother?
go to the
Well, you're the only 10 I see. Ha, 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 ha. Y'all know that joke? Not this lady, but I'm just saying in general. Whatever. It was a corny joke. I thought it would hit. It didn't hit, though. I thought it was going to hit, but it didn't hit.
Hold on.
I want to go to the ambulance.
Stop.
I want to
Relax.
go to the ambulance.
Now you want to go
I
to
The
wanna
ambulance?
Go to the ambulance.
And I have
I
odor
want to
now
go to
that
the
you go.
ambulance.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
want to go
I
to the
just smelled it, too.
ambulance. I want to go to the ambulance.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
So
I
you want to go to the hospital? We'll
Okay.
take care of that. Wait.
Bianca,
Go to the
stop.
ambulance.
You understand?
Stay still.
What are you
Relax.
doing?
Relax.
What are you doing? I'm holding. What are you doing?
You need to relax.
For what?
I need to search
For
her still,
what?
so.
For what?
Wait,
For
you
what?
still have to get searched.
Search me.
All right,
Search me.
relax, Bianca.
Search me.
Bianca.
I want to go.
Bianca,
Please.
chill out. All right?
Get
Chill
off
out.
of me.
Chill out.
Get off of
You know how I go when a female officer step on the scene and it's a female suspect. It's about to go down.
Stop
Get off of me.
Stop
Get
pulling
off of
away.
me. Get
Stop
off of
pulling
me.
away. Nobody's
Get
getting
off
off
of
of
me.
you.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off. I want my
All right, let's get her in somebody's car and get her out of here. Let's get her in somebody's car and get her out of here. Sorry.
I want my lawyer. I want my lawyer. Thank you. Thank you. 148. I want my lawyer. You can't even lock the door, you stupid bitch. Wow. Shut me in. Because I'm in there.
The suspect faces charges for driving under the influence and obstructing justice. If you enjoy